Ice cream. Ice cream. Candle. Candle. Walnuts. Walnuts. Matchbox. Matchbox. Garlic. Garlic. Lighter. Lighter. Battery. Battery. Chicken. Chicken. Charger. Charger. Power bank. Power bank. Extension cord. Extension cord. Bulb. Bulb. Curtain. Curtain. Cushion. Cushion. Bedsheet. Bedsheet. Quilt. Quilt. Doormat. Doormat. Shelf. Shelf. Drawer. Drawer. Bucket. Bucket. Mug. Mug. Glass. Glass. Plate. Plate. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. Bowl. Bowl. Tray. Tray. Kettle. Kettle. Thermos. Thermos. Frying pan. Frying pan. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Pot. Pot. Basket. Basket. Jar. Jar. Bottle. Bottle. Can. Can. Box. Box. Carton. Carton. Packet. Packet. Bag of chips. Bag of chips. Biscuit pack. Biscuit pack. Juice. Juice. Mineral water. Mineral water. Noodles. Noodles. Sauce. Sauce. Vinegar. Vinegar. Spices. Spices. Dry fruits. Dry fruits. Almonds. Almonds. Cashew. Cashew. Peanuts. Peanuts. Raisins. Raisins. Dates. Dates. Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Orange. Orange. Grapes. Grapes. Mango. Mango. Pineapple. Pineapple. Watermelon. Watermelon. Melon. Melon. Papaya. Papaya. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Strawberry. Strawberry. Cherry. Cherry. Coconut. Coconut. Lemon. Lemon. Tomato. Tomato. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Ginger. Ginger. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Carrot. Carrot. Cucumber. Cucumber. Spinach. Spinach. Beans. Beans. Peas. Peas. Chili. Chili. Mushroom. Mushroom. Eggplant. Eggplant. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Radish. Radish. Turnip. Turnip. Fish. Fish. Egg. Egg. Sausage. Sausage. Burger. Burger. Pizza. Pizza. Sandwich. Sandwich. Hot dog. Hot dog. Candle. This is a candle. Matchbox. I have a matchbox. Lighter. He has a lighter. Battery. The battery is small. Charger. This is my charger. Power bank. I carry a power bank. Extension cord. This is an extension cord. Bulb. The bulb is bright. Curtain. I opened the curtain. Cushion. The cushion is soft. Bed sheet. The bed sheet is clean. Quilt. The quilt is warm. Doormat. Step on the doormat. Shelf. The shelf is full. Drawer. Open the drawer. Bucket. The bucket has water. Mug. This is my mug. Glass. The glass is empty. Plate. The plate is white. Spoon. I use a spoon. Fork. The fork is metal. Knife. Be careful with the knife. Bowl. The bowl is round. Tray. The tray is big. Kettle. The kettle is hot. Thermos. The thermos keeps tea hot. Frying pan. The frying pan is black. Pressure cooker. The pressure cooker is loud. Pot. The pot is full. Basket. I have a fruit basket. Jar. The jar has sugar. Bottle. The bottle has water. Can. This can is cold. Box. The box is heavy. Carton. The milk carton is full. Packet. I opened the packet. Bag of chips. I bought a bag of chips. Biscuit pack. This is a biscuit pack. Juice. I drink juice. Mineral water. I bought mineral water. Ice cream. I like ice cream. Noodles. The noodles are hot. Sauce. I added sauce. Vinegar. Vinegar is sour. Spices. These spices smell good. Dry fruits. I eat dry fruits. Almonds. Almonds are tasty. Walnuts. Walnuts are healthy. Cashew. Cashew tastes sweet. Peanuts. I eat peanuts. Raisins. Raisins are small. Dates. Dates are sweet. Apple. This apple is red. Banana. I eat a banana. Orange. The orange is round. Grapes. The grapes are sweet. Mango. Mango is tasty. Pineapple. The pineapple is big. Watermelon. The watermelon is heavy. Melon. The melon is soft. Papaya. Papaya is healthy. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Strawberry. I like strawberry. Cherry. Cherry is red. Coconut. The coconut is hard. Lemon. The lemon is sour. Tomato. This tomato is fresh. Potato. Potatoes are common. Onion. The onion is white. Garlic. Garlic smells strong. Ginger. Ginger is good. Cabbage. Cabbage is green. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is white. Carrot. This carrot is orange. Cucumber. Cucumber is fresh. Spinach. Spinach is green. Beans. These beans are soft. Peas. Peas are small. Chili. This chili is hot. Mushroom. Mushrooms are soft. Eggplant. Eggplant is purple. Pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. Radish. Radish is white. Turnip. Turnip is round. Fish. The fish is fresh. Chicken. The chicken is cooked. Egg. This egg is boiled. Sausage. He eats sausage. Burger. This burger is tasty. Pizza. I love pizza. Sandwich. I made a sandwich. Hot dog. He ate a hot dog.